Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our third chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. So in previous video you have learned about that what is the synthetic fibers and especially you have studied the what is the polymerization and what is the monomers. I gave that more examples about that how we are preparing that polymer. Poly means more. That means already I have told whenever the small units of the monomers, whenever we are combining and together is forming the polymers. And this from the polymers we are making that like synthetic fibers. So there are different types of synthetic fibers and which one made by the human beings by in industry. So students, there are special I told there synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic, spandex, okay, and plastics also is a synthetic fibers. It is often from the synthetic fibers. So let us start today. What are the synthetic fibers and how we are making and how we are it is obtained and what are the raw materials are required. We will see the about this. So let us start, students. What is the synthetic fibers of rayon? So today we are going to start the first rayon. Students, rayon is a silk fibers. Okay, that means rayon is artificial silk fibers. Okay, rayon is a artificial. Rayon is an artificial silk. That means what you already in 7th class you have studied. That is the silk. Yes, it is a natural fibers. Yes or no? I told already what is the natural fibers. There are two types. One is animal fibers. Second one is plant fibers. So animal fibers example is one wool. Another one is silk. Silk fibers are obtained from the silkworm. Silkworm. So in that 7th class you have studied that the silk is obtained from the silkworm. Okay. So actual students, you have studied that in 7th class. This silk, it is very luxurious and costliest fibers, and which one actually it was discovered first it is obtained in the China, and more long days they kept hiding and they did not inform to all over the world. So because it is a very costliest and a important fibers which one we are making the very important and costliest clothes on different fibers we are making by the silk fibers. Okay students. So but after long days 19th century that what happened? The scientists tried and they made same as it like silk fibers. They made one different artificial silk. Artificial silk. They made that is called as rayon. Okay students. So how did it made this? Now they made by the glucose like cellulose of the plants. They made from the wood pulp. The treatment of wood pulp by chemically they made rayon. Did you understand what is my point? Okay. Once again I am saying friends, this rayon and silk nearly equal, but silk is one natural fiber. Silk is a natural fiber which is obtained from the silkworm. But rayon is not a natural fiber. Rayon is a artificial fiber, but it is resembles just like a silk fiber. It is just artificial silk. Artificial silk means this silk is made by humans. Okay, but it is obtained by the human beings. So, but the silk is made by the silkworm. What is the comparison students you observe? So, this rayon is an artificial silk and it was first obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Very important point this is students. How it is made of? Now it is made of by treatment of chemical with the wood pulp. Means any chemicals with the wood pulp. Do you know students? Whenever you have seen that, whenever if you cut one wood pieces, then there are small smoothness things it will get. That is called as cellulose. And that cellulose are called generally for that wood pulps are generally we are getting that but cellulose, and this cellulose with the chemically we are making the rayon which is called as artificial silk. It is silk and rayon nearly equal, but it is artificially, that is naturally, that means we are getting from the nature. Okay students, so the wax and everything is nearly equal. It is cheaper than the silk. If you compare this, and this is more costliest, silk is more costliest, but it is cheaper. If you suppose, if it is silk will get suppose 1000 rupees, same clothes, same dress will get by the rayon will get that 500, 700 or 600. So it is less compared to that what silk, but the work, the shining, the general properties are resembles are equal. It can be dyed in variety of colors, same like silk, like the rayon also can make different types of color. If you have fabrics, if you have the see that shirt, t-shirts or any other that things which are made by the rayon, it is different colors also it is available. It can be mixed with the cotton to make the bed linen. If the bed that we are using that one linen, that one also it is made by rayon. When the rayon fibers or the rayon fibers is mixing with the natural fiber, that is cotton, rayon and plus cotton, rayon plus cotton, this both mixing after they are making what is that friends? Bed linen. Okay, the bed linen we are using in the bed, so for plate like it will be one fibers like that is we are using, so that is called as a bed linen. Okay, when you will get, how you will make the bed linen? Now when the rayon fibers or the rayon fibers mixing with the rayon mixing with the cotton fibers, and they will mixing with it and they will make that a bed linen. Next one friends, it can be mixed with the wool. Also rayon can mix with the wool and can make the carpet. You have in your room or in that meetings office, they are keeping that one carpet. Okay, so that carpet is made by rayon plus wool. Okay students, remember students, when the rayon will mix with the cotton, that time we are getting that what? Bed linen. And when that rayon is mixing with the wool, at that time we are making the carpet. It is used also making shirt, ties, etc. Whenever we are using this t-shirt, clothes like that, also directly only rayon also we are making. And also what we are using, the ties also we are getting by rayon also. Okay friends, it is fibers are widely used for synthetic fibers which are derived from the cellulose. This rayon actually derived from the what? Cellulose, wood pulp, chemical treatment of a wood pulp. Wood pulp means that inside the wood there are small monomers are there, that is called as what? Cellulose. And that cellulose, okay, mixing and they are making that what? Rayon. Okay, by the chemical. These are the available in 3 different variants: viscose, turpo and acetate. These are the rayons one form. Okay, chemicals whenever we are making, this is viscose one, fibrose one, acetate is also different what? Rayons. And these are the chemically, we have to say that chemically silk or that artificial silk. Did you understand students? I hope you have understood about that rayon. Once again I am repeat to you, rayon is nothing but it is one artificial silk which is made or which is obtained by treatment of wood pulp chemically. So this is only main things, and we are making by the rayon ties, carpet and bed linen. Okay, t-shirts, everything we are making by the rayon. It is cheapest cost, that means cheapest means less cost to compare the silk fibers. Which one? Silk which they are making, that same thing if you compare the silk, that this year the rayon is the more cheapest. Okay friends, so now we will discuss about that properties. It is shine and lustrous, that means rayon clothes, rayon fabrics are very shining. Shining means it will lightning means it will be give the shining. Okay, it can absorb moisture also. Whatever the sweat, if it will come from your body and it will be absorbed. So it is very comfortable to use as a dress or clothes or any other materials. Okay students, so now we are going to discuss about that second one, nylon. So students, nylon is also another synthetic fibers, which one without any natural fibers we are making. First in 1931 it was made, but how it is obtained? By coal, water and air. Okay students, this nylon is a synthetic fiber which are only made by the coal. There is no natural fiber, no need of artificial fiber. That is by specially three things with it was made in 1931. 1931 it was nylon was made, and which one is made from the coal, water and air. Okay friends, it does not lose its strength after use. Suppose one shirt is one made by that nylon or any other things or rope, then after using after also the strength, it is as usual it is staying, so long lasting. It does not lose its strength even after repeat use. What are the properties? It is strong, elastic, lightweight, lustrous, easy to wash. Which things are made by this? It was, what are the properties? Now it is strong, very strong. We cannot tear it. It is elastic, like rubber, like it is having the elastic properties. Lightweight, it is means less weight. Lustrous, it is shining. And easy to wash, it is very easy or comfortable to wash. It is the extension used to make the clothes, socks, robes, tents, parachutes and articles. In the Second World War time, students, 1932 1945 time, during that time parachutes are also used in that soldiers. At that time this one nylon was developed, and that time it is help for that making parachute also. Okay students, so I think you have understand that all, and you should write down these things all in your notebooks, and comparably also you should observe, and you should observe, find out in your house whatever the clothes are there, whether it is made by rayon or it is made by nylon, you should be detect. Okay students, thank you all of you, have a nice day.